Hello, my name is Jalal Ahmed and I am from Noakhali, Bangladesh. I am currently studying computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University. I completed my SSC at Gazirhat High School, Noakhali in 2029 and my HSC at Shohid Damijuddin Cantonment College, Dhaka in 2021. I am working hard to prepare myself for higher studies abroad in field like machine learning and deep learning. I have built a strong foundation in programming algorithm and data science recently. I attended a boot camp in HRDI at Daffodil International University in 2019 and 2023, where I gained hands-on experience solving real-world problems. I love solving problems and always look for effective solution in my project and coursework. I am especially interested in image analysis and healthcare AI, and I have experienced with tools like Python, TensorFlow and image processing. I also good at working in team and adapting new environment. My short-term goal is to pursue a master degree in country known for technology research like the USA, Canada or Germany. I eager to learn more about advanced AI and data science and to work with international experts. In long term, I hope to start an IT business that create healthcare solution helping both people in Bangladesh and our growing tech industry. Thank you for watching.